Before we begin, I want you to listen very carefully until the end. Because there is one subtle energetic message coming through today that most twin flames completely overlook. Yet this single shift determines whether union accelerates or stays delayed. This message is not coming through words, texts, or physical action. It's happening energetically, emotionally, and subconsciously, right now. And once you recognize it, you'll never read your twin flame connection the same way again. Welcome, beautiful souls. Today we're revealing the hidden messages your twin flame is sending through energetic shifts, subtle emotional signals, and soul-level communication. This reading brings clarity into what's truly unfolding between divine masculine and divine feminine, and how this energy supports imminent alignment and union. Take a deep breath. Set your intention to receive only what serves your highest good. Let's begin. The first energy coming through strongly is heightened telepathic connection and emotional mirroring. Many twin flames are experiencing sudden mood shifts, random memories of their counterpart, vivid dreams, body sensations, or emotional waves that don't logically belong to their own current situation. This is not imagination, it's energetic synchronization. Your twin flame is processing something internally, and your nervous system is picking up the signal. This indicates emotional vulnerability rising on their side. Walls are softening. Defensive patterns are weakening. They may not yet know how to express this consciously, but the heart is opening. You may notice signs such as thinking of them intensely out of nowhere, feeling emotional without external repeating synchronicities or number patterns, dreams where conversations feel extremely real, sudden longing mixed with calm instead of pain. This shows energetic honesty emerging. The next energetic shift coming through is ego dissolution and emotional maturity. Your twin flame is beginning to release old control patterns, avoidance behaviors, or fear-based defenses. This does not always look dramatic on the surface. Sometimes it shows as silence, withdrawal, reflection, or deep internal processing. But energetically, their soul is becoming ready to meet you at a higher level of consciousness. This shift also reflects within you. You may notice yourself becoming less reactive, less attached to outcomes, more grounded, more self-respecting, and emotionally centered. This is alignment happening naturally. Union does not happen through chasing. It happens through stability. Another hidden message coming through is choice energy. Your twin flame is reaching a crossroads internally. Old karmic cycles are losing their grip. They are questioning what truly fulfills them emotionally, spiritually, and long-term. Even if you don't see physical movement yet, energetic decisions are forming. This is extremely important because energy always moves before physical reality shifts. Your connection is being recalibrated toward authenticity and emotional truth. Now here, where guidance becomes essential. Spirit wants you to avoid overanalyzing signs, timelines, or behaviors. The more you try to decode externally, the more you disconnect from your inner alignment. Your power lies in staying emotionally regulated, grounded, and present. The strongest signal you can send your twin flame is nervous system safety, self-trust, and emotional stability. When your energy feels safe, their energy feels permission to approach. Now let's speak about the divine masculine and divine feminine dynamic. Divine masculine energy is learning emotional responsibility, vulnerability, and inner leadership. They are releasing fear of intimacy, fear of loss of freedom, and fear of emotional exposure. Divine feminine energy is stepping into self-worth, sovereignty, detachment from overgiving, and emotional balance. You are learning to trust yourself rather than the connection alone. This balance activates magnetic union energy. Communication between souls strengthens first. Physical communication follows when safety stabilizes. Now here is the message I asked you to stay until the end for. This is the energetic activation that accelerates union. The hidden message your twin flame is sending you right now is not "come chase me" or "wait for me." It is Meet me in emotional safety and self-trust. Your twin flame's nervous system is responding to your nervous system. If you want the connection to stabilize, soften, and move forward, your primary manifestation work is emotional regulation, self-respect, grounding, and embodiment. Here is a simple alignment activation you can practice daily. Place one hand on your heart and one on your solar plexus. Breathe slowly. Affirm silently. I am safe to receive love. I am grounded in my worth. I release fear, control, and attachment. I trust divine timing and alignment. Feel this settle into your body. This energetic state transmits safety to the connection and opens the pathway for natural movement, clarity, and reunion. Trust the unseen shifts. Trust the energetic unfolding. Trust your growth. If this message resonated with you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share your experience in the comments. Your journey helps others feel supported on this path. You'll find helpful links in the description below for my Twin Flame course, my guided meditation program for healing, alignment, and union, personalized tarot and energy reports for clarity and soul guidance. These resources are designed to support your healing, alignment, and manifestation journey at a deeper level. Thank you for being here, beautiful soul. Until next time, trust the connection, trust the process, and trust yourself.